Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds AirPods 3 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. And right here you need to click information icon near to your earbuds, but also you can find the same menu if you are in the settings, tap at your earbuds line. Your earbuds should be connected with your phone, and then it will open for you this menu. So just give me a second. Okay, now I reconnect them, and as you can see, the same menu. Right here we have the name line. You need to tap at this line, then tap at the line again, and you can write the best one for you here. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. And now you can go back. You don't need to save this name. If I go back, you can see that I changed it. So we need to click done or check mark right here or enter. Just go back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.